How to create a VTuber with Lens Studio for Streamfog. So first you want to get Lens Studio 5.16, that's 5.16. Then you want to load it up, log in, and you'll come right here to where it says camera object. Right above that, it's going to be a little plus symbol. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to go to face, head binding. I'm going to create a little head binding. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Asset Browser in the bottom left, click the plus, and then click Import Asset. And you're going to want to go ahead and have your own GLB ready. So what you'll do is you'll just drag it on over and import it in. And then it'll be right behind it. You'll just press Accept. And then what you'll do is you go right here where it says Egg or whatever you may have named your GLB. And then you'll just drag it on up to the head binding. And you'll drop it. Now this is where you'll edit it, because everybody's file size is going to be different, and this is just going to make it bigger or smaller. So after you have sized it to how you want it to appear on screen, what you'll do is you'll go back to that little plus symbol in the top left, go to Faces, and then Face Inset. You're going to want to create 3 of these face insets. Alright, now that you have your 3 face insets, you'll go right over here. You'll go right over here where it says Pass and it says Flat. Right underneath it'll say Screen Texture. For the textures, you'll just click on that first one, click Device Camera Texture, and then go down. And then what you're going to want to do is go right here where it says Face Region. You're going to click it and change it to whichever one you want. Always do the right and left eye first. And then you're going to go right up here, and it's all about positioning. So this is my right eye. So I'm going to put it on the left side. Right here is where you'll mess with how you want it to actually be. And you can still mess with the size of it. Now, what I do recommend is finding something that you're happy with, whether you want it to be 2 times the normal size. And then you mess with this outer radius however you want it to be. Just for this, I'm going to make it really quickly. Alright. And then you're going to go to the next one and do the same thing with it. Device Camera Texture, left eye, and adjust. Alright, now that you have the eyes done, you'll go over here, and your last one is going to be the mouth. And do the same thing that you did with all the other ones. Now what you want to do is you're going to go to Camera Object, and then you're going to go right over here to Clear Color option, and do Color. And then set it to green. Obviously, if your character is green, you can change it to a different color, such as red, purple, any of those. This is going to give you your green screen effect, so when you do bring it over into Streamfog, you'll be able to use your character with the green screen on any of the platforms. And that right there is how you create your lens for Streamfog.